In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find long-tail keywords on Semrush. Long-tail keywords are the longer, more specific searches people type when they know what they want. They're usually less competitive and often bring in visitors who are closer to taking action. I'll walk you through exactly where to find them in Semrush and how to read the data so you pick the best phrases for your content or campaigns. Start on your Semrush dashboard. From here, move your cursor to the SEO section in the main navigation and choose the Keyword Magic tool. This tool is designed to take a single idea and expand it into thousands of related searches, grouped neatly so you can explore themes without getting overwhelmed. It's one of the fastest ways to go from a broad topic to highly targeted keyword opportunities. In the Keyword Magic tool, enter a seed keyword that represents your topic. Think of it as the core idea you want to rank for, like a product type, service, or problem statement. Before you run the search, make sure the database is set to your target location, because search behavior and competition vary by country. If you serve multiple markets, repeat the process for each location to compare demand and difficulty. Click Search to generate results. Semrush will display a large list of related keywords along with helpful metrics, such as search volume, keyword difficulty, intent, trend, and cost per click. Volume shows how often the term is searched, while difficulty estimates how hard it will be to rank. Intent hints at what the searcher is trying to do, from learning to buying. Use these numbers to balance opportunity and effort. To zero in on long-tail opportunities, switch to the Questions tab. This view filters the list to question-based phrases, things like how, what, where, and why, which naturally surface longer, more specific queries. These are excellent for blog posts, FAQ sections, and YouTube topics, because they align with real user problems and often face less competition. If you want to refine further, adjust filters such as word count to favor longer phrases, sort by lower difficulty to find easier wins, and exclude branded terms you don't want to target. You can also explore the keyword groups on the left to uncover subtopics and related angles that fit your content strategy. As you evaluate options, look for a healthy mix of reasonable volume, manageable difficulty, and clear intent that matches your offer. Save strong candidates to a list so you can plan content around them, cluster related phrases into one piece, and map them to pages with a clear call to action. That's it. Using these steps, you can quickly turn a single idea into a focused set of long-tail keywords in Semrush.